Hey there, in this video I wanted to show you how to change your time zone in Notion. So it's really easy. If you just go to the top left corner of your workspace, and I'll just hover there and go to your workspace name, click on that, and then click on settings. And we're in the preferences tab, and that's where we want to be. And you'll see there's a time zone option right here. So there's a few options under language and time. You can change your language, and you can start your week on a Monday if you want, if you toggle that on. Otherwise, they will start on a Sunday. And then there's the time zone, and you can toggle this on if you want Notion to automatically use your location and auto set the time zone. Or if you toggle this off, then you'll see now we have the option in this pull down menu here below it to choose the time zone we want. So I'm just going to toggle this back on. So that's the easy way to just update the time zone in Notion. And speaking of time zones, I wanted to just mention time zones in the Notion calendar app here. So we're in a monthly view here. So if you press the keyboard shortcut Z, or Z, you'll see that a time zone list of options appears, and you can search. So you can choose from here, you can scroll, or you can search for your time zone up here. For example, Cook Islands, and choose whichever time zone you wish to use. Now, the other option here is to go into the weekly view, whoops, and there we go. Choose week instead of monthly. And now we have this option on the left of the calendar grid for time zones. And the time zone is visible. And we have that option here with this little plus sign to add more time zones. So you can add up to 4 time zones in Notion calendar. So I just chose PST and I have EDT. And again, there's 4 maximums, so I can choose 2 more if I want. Let's just choose a couple of random ones. Tahiti time, sure. So now we can see all 4 time zones here. They're all visible, which is really handy in Notion calendar for setting meetings and scheduling things between different people or different teams. So that's how you manage it in Notion calendar.